In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva animations to bring your designs to life. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, YouTube intros, or marketing videos, adding animation inside Canva can instantly make your content look more professional and engaging. The best part is, it's incredibly easy to use once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through step by step so you can start animating your designs in minutes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Canva tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your design in Canva. You can start from scratch or open an existing project from your dashboard. Animations work in presentations, social media graphics, video designs, and more. Once your design is open in the editor, you're ready to begin. Next, decide what you want to animate. You can animate individual elements like text, photos, icons, or graphics, or you can animate the entire page at once. Click on the element you want to animate. For example, select a text box by clicking directly on it. If you prefer to animate the whole page, simply click on a blank area of the canvas so the page itself is selected. Now that your element or page is selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. As soon as you click Animate, a panel will open showing different animation styles. Canva gives you a variety of options, such as fade, pan, pop, slide, rise, and many more, depending on your design type. If you're animating text, you may also see text-specific effects, like typewriter or stomp. To apply an animation, simply click on the style you like. You'll instantly see it applied to your selected element or page. If you want something subtle and professional, fade or rise works great. If you want something more energetic and eye-catching, try pop or slide. After selecting an animation, you may see additional customization options. Depending on the effect, you can adjust the speed, direction, or timing. For example, you might be able to choose whether the animation comes in from the left, right, top, or bottom. You can also control how fast the animation plays. Slower speeds feel smoother and more elegant, while faster speeds feel more dynamic and bold. Take a moment to experiment with these settings to match the tone of your project. Once you've adjusted your animation, click the play button at the top of the editor to preview everything. This is very important because it lets you see how all your animated elements work together. If something feels too fast, too slow, or distracting, you can click back on the element and change the animation at any time. You're never locked in. Repeat this process for other elements on your page. You can animate headings, subheadings, images, backgrounds, and even decorative graphics. Just remember that sometimes less is more. Adding too many animations can make your design feel overwhelming. Try to keep it clean and intentional. If you're working with multiple pages, you can also apply animations to each page individually. This is especially useful for presentations and video content, where you want smooth transitions between slides. Finally, once you're happy with your animated design, it's time to download it properly so the animation stays intact. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then click Download. To preserve animations, choose MP4 video or GIF as your file type. If you download as a PNG or JPEG, the animation will not be included because those formats are static images. Select your preferred format, adjust any settings if needed, and click Download. And that's it. You now know how to use Canva animations to make your designs more engaging and professional. With just a few clicks, you can turn a simple static design into something that truly stands out. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.